Hello traders, this is TFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys you are doing great. All right, in this video we are going to talk about the TFX dynamic manual EA. I think it has been long, but since this is the last week of our current of our 7th anniversary, Ramadan in April, Easter Monday, Good Friday, whatever, every holiday that was in this month, this is our last week of our great golden offer. So you better rush before it's too late, because the price will go back to normal from next week. Remember, you can get our system with a very, very affordable price. So follow us on our Telegram, or you can WhatsApp through the number that's pop-upping on your screen. So that you can get your copy. So I decided to record this video because maybe some don't remember how the TFX Dynamic Manual EA works. The TFX Dynamic Manual EA, it is the reflection, or it is the manual of TFX Sniper, SMC Sniper. And when we talk about SMC Sniper, we talked about the candle charts, EA, that trades only charts. All right. So the signal now here will be generated from only candles from different time frames and other technical analysis from together with our technical indicators in order to deliver a profitable and reliable signal. So this is the system that is it is the manual for TFX SMC Sniper. And remember, you can get it by purchasing SMC Sniper. Then you can get the system with only 750, both of them, all of them, 750. Oh my, what a great. The normal price of the system is 650. Right now, because of our current offer, it's only 450. You get it a lifetime license. So now let's get into it and learn about the system, how easy it has become to transform people's life. As I shared earlier video about the SMC Sniper, I talked about now it can do long-term, short-term, and scalping. That is the same thing. You are going to receive signals from this TFX Dynamic Manual EA. Remember, this system, you don't do anything but insolation. It is the one that generates the signal, and it will pop up on your screen, or maybe if you are connected with your phone, it will send text or even email to your phone. So you don't do anything except installation and the basics that I'm sharing with you now. Let's say, for example, you want to trade all of this. You want to get signals from everything in this terminal, or for the open charts that are pairs that have already opened here. Remember, this one generates signal, so you don't have to limit the system. So the only thing you only need two terminals. Again, SMC Sniper works with two terminals because that is like purchasing, being given two EAs, and we don't want to mess or to miss any given opportunity in the market. So this means that we have a scalping signal, and also we have a short term signal, and we also have long-term signal. So this means it's all in one. So you don't need anything outside there. You only need the system. Then you can do scalping, you can do short trade and long trade. And don't forget, it is the one that generates the signal. How simple it is. It's very simple when using the system. All right. So for instance, here it's our template. We have a TFX Dynamic Gold. This one, it's only for gold, and you attach it in H2 or H2 time frame, or 2 hours time frame. All right. So we have again the long signal. This is the long-term signals that you can you are supposed to attach in on also H2. So you need one terminal that will be working with H2 or 2 hours time frame. And for the short and scalping, you can see short and scalping, it's already highlighted here. You attach it in 1 hour time frame. frame. So this means in order to receive short-term signals and scalping signals, you only need to have a terminal and attach everything you want to receive signal from with only in H1 or 1 hour time frame. So then from there, it will pick the tray, it will generate the signal. So let's say, for example, this is H2 H2 time frame. So all you need, let's say this terminal works with H2. After proper installation, all you need to do here, it is to click to attach it in H2. If it is gold, let's say for example gold is here, you go to H2 and you attach these templates of gold. It is simple as that. All right. Make sure your algo trading is activated by going to tools, options. All right. Make sure they allow algorithm, not algorithm, algorithmic trading, and also allow DNL and also allow web request. So these three boxes must be checked in order to make sure that everything is activated correctly. That's all you need. From there, it will start generating signals. It is simple as that. The dynamic manual EA, it will generate signal. Automatically, it will pop up on your screen. You'll hear even a sound. There is a sound alert to alert you to buy or to sell. So if you receive the signal of sell, you just click sell. So you don't think about or plan about where to put stop loss, where to get your take profit. Whatever you might think like you are supposed to do, there is nothing you are supposed to do except installation and using the template the way I'm showing you. Why? Because the system is programmed with automated trading plan, and also it's auto money manageable or risk management or money manageable or money management. All right, so this system is so professional. The difference between the dynamic and SMC sniper, it's only because you take the trades manually. So you make the decision to take them or not to take them. All right. So, but everything else will be run by the EA. It's a manual combined with the EA. So all you do it is to take trades according to the alerts or according to the signal that will be generated by the system itself. So if it is a sell, don't say, so my friend, okay, here I can see we can buy because let's say for example, I can see we are coming from down. You can see we have a trend signal here. So this is a arrow that gives the system to know the trend. Now the trend is about to change because even our mountain is already at level 90. Then we have a white arrow here that indicates a sell, and here we have yellow that indicated by that this market from gold, it was bullish, and we don't trade outside this box. So this means that the signals that you will receive, they will be very, very reliable, as you can see how the buys goes. So you don't need to do all those things or to analyze anything, because the system will generate the signal and you will receive the alert, or if it is connected with your phone, get ready to get SMS or text to tell you when to buy or when to sell. So your work, it is to wait for the signal to pop up or alert to pop up. Then if it is for buy, you click buy. All right. So all you need to do if you want to receive for long trade, the reason why I'm telling you, it is good to have two terminal. So this one terminal can be receiving a long trade signal. So whenever we get also a short-term or scalping signal, the other terminal will send the signal. So this means the other terminal should remain in 1 hour time frame. So that's where you are supposed to attach this template for short and scalping. It's already written here or highlighted here to make things easier for you not to get confused. So if it is for 1 hour time frame, you just select 1 hour time frame, and get this in mind. Don't set 1 hour and 2 hours in one terminal. All right, that is confusing the EA. So all you need to do here, make sure you have two terminals. There is a video of how to install multiple terminal. So that's all you need to do to install two terminals. Then one can be for 1 hour time frame so that you can receive signals for scalping and a short trade. So the other one is for 2 hours, that is for a long trade. So don't mix them. I'm just sharing here, I'm showing here as an example. If it is the terminal for scalping, you just attach it in 1 hour time frame. But if it is for a long trade, you must attach them in H2. All right, so this makes things easier and very profitable, and this means that you can get more a signal. Let's say, for example, let's come here and bring out our template. So let's say, for example, 2 hours, there is a signal for long trade like here buy, because we can see we have a control shift candle here, and the second signal for strength bar. These are two signals, let's say, for example, happen in H2, and we have them here and also here, because we have a control shift here, we have a strength bar here, then after this strength bar, then we buy. And I think we also have the strength bar here. All right, so this means here you can have like 3 or 4 signal in H2. The best thing is when we go to 4 hours time frame, it will also generate the signal from 4 hours time frame. So this means if we have like here the strength arrow, and we have also a control shift candle, like here you can see we have a control shift candle, then the market went smoothly to this area. This tells you you'll also receive signals from 4 hours time frame. So that tells you that you can have even 8 or 4, 6 signals from one pair, right? Only one pair, you can have like 6, 7, 6, 5, 4 signals from one pair. So it is the work of the system to generate from everything that you have attached there, so that it can send the signal. Then you can buy or you can sell. So it's very simple is that, let's say, for example, you are trading a short trade for scalping. Here we have a scalping, we have another scalping here, and if it is a bullish market, we have a scalping here, and remember, this is 3 all in one order block. So this one gives you a good signal, because if this one is for scalping, let's go, for example, in minute 5 and see what is there by those signals. So you can see the one we are seeing there, you can see you can scalp from here. All right, you can another scalping from there. So this is the best thing about the system. Then again, we have another sell here from 5 minutes, then you can scalp there. So that is the best thing about the system. You can scalp here, and again you can scalp there. So this is the best thing about the system, where and this is why I don't want you to miss any opportunity for scalping, long trade and short trade, because our aim, it is to make sure now you become a full-time trader, or you employ yourself anytime soon. So make sure, guys, you understand every details that I'm sharing with you, because don't complicate the system. It's very easy to use. You just if you can review this video again, absolutely you'll be able to understand how the system works. It doesn't have anything to do but to install and to have two terminals and install everything correctly, because we have even a video of installation on our VIP. Then it will be easier for you. After installation, you attach everything, then you relax. All right, you relax. So you attach everything, the same thing we are doing with the EA. Let's say, for example, you want to limit, in case you forgot, you don't want to take orders more than 3 positions from different charts. So you can just set for yourself here, because by default it should be 0, because it's for only signals. So here you can set a chart limit like 3. So if you set 3 and you click OK, this means that you won't trade more than three charts. But since it's a manual thing, this is why it's a free. You can limit yourself. It's not a must to limit there, because you want to receive all signal from everything you want to trade. So you don't have to worry about that. You can control yourself. But if you know you really lack discipline in Forex market, it's better to set a limit of 3. So if you set here chart trade total limit into 3, this means that you can only trade 3 charts. All right. From there, if there is another signal and you try to click sell or buy, it won't send the signal. You should understand that. If you send 3 here, it will only send 3 signal from potential, the one with the potential momentum. Then from there, it won't send another signal until you are done with either one or all of them, right? So this is why I set 0 so that it can send every signal that it will get in the market. So every signal that is there available, it will send the signal. So it's very simple to use the system. That's all. You can do whatever you want to do and just wait for the signal, because you relax. You don't analyze market. You don't do anything, right? You don't do anything. You don't do anything. It is simple, as I said. Whether it is take profit, sell, you don't do anything. Install, let the system do its work, let the system analyze. All right, you be patient. Just wait or connect with your phone, wait for text, then enter the market. After clicking the buy or sell, don't think about a stop loss or whatever, because it is programmed. You cannot lose more than 3% of your account. And it's also programmed with the EA to help you recover the losses. So I do believe that now, guys, you understand. And I said it's good to share this video before the offer ends, because it will end in this week. So you better get your copy before the price goes back to its normal. So thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.